Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Vue 3. In this series, we are going to talk about the what is Vue, how to create a project with the Vue 3. All of these are with the latest Vue version, that is 3, right? And the various projects regarding the to-do app, you can CRUD operations, Firebase or something we are going to learn in this series. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So, what is Vue.js 3? Vue is a JavaScript framework. First, it's a JavaScript framework for building user interfaces. It builds on the top of the standard HTML, CSS, and the JavaScript and provides a declarative and the component based programming model that helps you to efficiently develop user interfaces, be they simple or the complex. Vue 3.js is a powerful JavaScript framework used for building user interfaces, single page applications. It is known for its simplicity, flexibility, and performance. So first task is like setting up the Vue.js 3 using the CDN. So if you have the CDN, like how to set up that one in your request HTML, how you can integrate that one. So let's get started. So here we go with the code. So this is the CDN file. Okay, let me show you. So this is a CDN file that I am adding. Just copy paste this and paste it into HTML, any HTML over here, right? And you can, after putting this script source over here, right, you are able to use the Vue as in your HTML, right? So let's copy this and try to run. So here we go with the HTML, any HTML I will open. Okay, so here we'll open with the applications, and this is HTML. Let me comment this and add my HTML over here. Okay, let's save it and run this one. Okay, so here you can see that hello Vue.js, and here you can see that we have a Vue component over here, right? Script here, const tab, Vue create app, data return message. We have hello Vue.js, app.mount app over here, right? And here we have a diff message. So here you can see that message we have call over here. Just using this CDN file over here, you are able to assess the Vue things over here, right? So this is how we are going to set up the Vue code with the Vue.js using the CDN. This is via CDN, right? There is another way that is called the Vue CLI, right? I preferred basically the Vue CLI for the projects of the Vue, right? If you have a requirement regarding the CDN, then you can use this one and use this as a like composition API, every model, if else, everything bindings into your project. If you have just you want to integrate with the CDN only, right? Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Next video is regarding the CLI of the Vue 3. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.